For home renovation and DIY projects such as building kitchen cabinets or a dog ramp, a circular saw is one of those tools you can't do without. I feel that a portable circular saw is the second best tool I own, right behind a cordless impact driver. Also, I think it might last me the rest of my life. Says Dosia Boylan, owner and operator of Handyman Connection of Golden in Colorado. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 circular saws on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Skil 15 Amp 7 1/4 inch Circular Saw. If it's your first time using a circular saw, Smolowski recommends trying the Skil 5280-01. This saw is tailored for beginners because it comes with user-friendly features, including a laser guide and safety guard, he says. The 7 1/4 inch saw has a 15 amp motor and a speed of 5,300 RPM. The laser is hands down the coolest feature, and none of the other best circular saws has something similar. It's a red beam that projects onto the surface and helps you cut in a straight line. It also has a spindle lock which makes blade changes simpler, ensuring both efficiency and safety for those just starting in the field, Smolowski says. The blade is made out of high carbon steel and can make crosscuts, rip cuts, or bevel cuts up to 51 degrees. Plus, a safety lock on the body ensures that there's no way you can start it by accident. Number 2. Works Wx429 L4 Amp Works Saw. If the thought of handling a circular saw feels a little daunting, you can always opt for a smaller option, like this mini saw from Works. It features a 4.5 inch blade which is almost half the size of standard circular saws, but not less powerful by any means. For small DIY projects or cutting small strips of wood, this is the best circular saw. It can slice a 2x4 piece of wood in a single pass. Use it to cut lumber, tile, metal, and plastic up to 2 inches thick. If you need a stronger blade, Works sells other options you can use. Feel free to make the same cuts that you do with other saws. For instance, it cuts beveled angles up to 45 degrees, plus plunge and pocket cuts up to an inch thick. It's also fairly easy to store since it's so compact. Number 3. DeWalt Circular Saw. Our top recommendation is the DeWalt DW575 SB Circular Saw. It topped our list of best circular saws because it's powerful, easy to handle, and the number 1 choice of several experts. It features a 7 1/4 inch blade that easily cuts through 2 inch wood or siding. It's a favorite tool of Smolowski's, who prefers to use it due to its lightweight design. It weighs 8 pounds, an electric brake that instantly stops the blade as soon as you press the trigger. Its adjustable cutting depth and clear line of sight promote precision, making it ideal for various projects, he says. This saw features a 57-degree bevel capacity that stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for more accurate cuts. The higher the bevel angle, the more angled cuts you can make. To ensure your view isn't obscured, there's a blower to clear away the dust while you work. Number 4. Craftsman Circular Saw. Whether you're making kitchen cabinets or a DIY coffee table, this Craftsman Circular Saw is an excellent option for woodworking. Even though it's a heavy-duty saw with a powerful 5,500 RPM, rotations per minute, motor, it's still easy to handle. More importantly, it comes at a budget-friendly price, making it the best circular saw for anyone dipping their toes into carpentry for the first time. It features a 7 1/4 inch, 18-tooth blade, which is powerful enough to cut a 2x piece of wood up to 2 inches thick in one pass. You can also make bevel cuts up to 55 degrees and don't need any tools to adjust it. We also like that it has both upper and lower metal guards for extra protection. The saw doesn't come with a bag or a case for any of its accessories. We suggest buying one separately to keep your tools organized. Number 5. Bosch CS107 7 1/4 inch 15 amp Circular Saw. Whether you're framing wood or slicing through metal roofing, the Bosch CS10 could come in handy. It is a powerful saw with a 15 amp motor and a soft grip handle. It's also designed with a die-cast magnesium footplate at the bottom, which should help it last for many years. The saw is corded, but it has a 10-foot cord that gives you more mobility than you'll find with many other options. When it comes to accuracy, the unit is pretty flexible. You can adjust the bevel angles up to 56 degrees and control the depth of your cuts via adjustable levers on the unit. The circular saw comes with its own carrying bag. However, you'll want to note that the included wrench may be difficult to fit in the bag, which is a downside. We love a storage bag that can easily fit all included accessories. At 10 pounds, it's also quite heavy. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.